Hi everyone, this is Jason from the Property Medic, welcoming you to our retaining wall project. In this video, you're going to see us go from a old retaining wall tear down to a rebuild of a new retaining wall. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, here we are getting ready to tear down this old retaining wall. With the help of Cam's Landscaping, we're actually going to be using a tractor today with some forks to be able to remove this old kind of broken down wall, and we're going to be replacing it. So here's the beginning of the process. We're tying things off, we're getting things ready so that it's safe, and it's something that we can do efficiently. So here we go. Here is a combination of man and machine working together to get these pieces efficiently out and into the trailer so that they can be disposed of properly. It's important that all the processes be planned out properly so that nobody gets in the way of the trailer. And as you can see here, everyone is keeping clear. We've got our safety markers down. Everything works smooth when you work together with a plan. Here you can see that part of the teardown is not all mechanical. Sometimes you've got to use some manpower to do it, to get in places where you need to be particular and safe. See here that Cam's Yardworks, of course, is making our way easy. We really appreciate Cam's efforts. Now we're going to make sure that we get all this down as safely as possible. Sometimes you run into obstacles where, like we've got here, someone's got their car parked in reasonable proximity. That's where machine goes away and man does all the grunt work, but it's not too bad. Anyways, we were able to get this all cleared out without any damage to any property, and that's something that the Property Medic takes very seriously. So we want to make sure that we're doing things safely and appropriately at all times. Okay, so here we're looking at the next stage, which is cleaning up our workspace. One of the most important things that we can do is keep our workspace clean. So with the help of Cam and his tractor, we can get this all cleaned up so that the next phase of this rebuild, which is the actual build part, is a safe place for us to work, as well as making sure that there's no debris on the ground causing any damage to anyone driving by. So here we are working at keeping our workspace clean here at Property Medic. So here we are, a little ways into the rebuild. The boys have worked hard leveling this out so that all the pieces go in straight. If you've got gaps in your level, you'll end up with wobbly pieces, which will make a wobbly wall. We don't want to have that. But we're using treated 6x6 with Ardoc screws. Now this has come together nicely. It's looking fantastic. And the thing that is most important is this will be structurally sound. It'll keep all this debris that's up here on this wall from falling in on the parking lot. When we're done, this thing will be as strong as any wall they've ever had here, which is good. And it's going to be aesthetically pleasing. Hope everyone likes the look. Okay, so here we are getting towards the end of the build. The boys are putting together the corners. They're actually overlapping the corners, so we don't have any what's called picture frame corners. those can be weak points, and corners are areas that you want to have really structurally sound because they face a lot of pressure from debris, water, other things. So here they are lapping their corners so that they're not a weak spot, they're structurally sound.